Morning. Day 6. Take down of the tent. Yep. Then we'll get on our way. Leaving Fremont Peak. Yeah. Leaving now. Hope you enjoy. Breakfast.
But now I don't have to pee in the woods.
Yep.
At least this time.
But it's not now.
Look at my
Nice.
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Guys, we officially made it. First of all, don't get in the water. We are in the Pacific Ocean. The This is odd. This is like rocks.
Pebble Beach.
Pebbles.
I really like
Pebbles?
it.
I like it better than the sand.
Ow, Alex.
Whoa. We made it all the way across the country. Wow. It's really pretty. It's kind of chilly also. Alex is touching the Pacific. Go, Alex, go. You're looking goofy. Hey. We made it. Nice one. Alex's dogs are freezing. It's so cold. What's the degrees?
They better be exfoliated. You want to feel them after this?
I don't want to feel your dogs, no. Thanks for the offer, though.
You're welcome.
Alright. We made it somewhere. Wait, where are we at?
I was just trying to stand up.
We're at State Park.
Did you record that?
I hope I did. I hope I got it. Wait, bro, what is this called?
Big Sur.
Big Sur. Oh, yeah. Forgot we already made it. Big Sur. The water is so clear. You can see all the rocks.
All the rock.
All the rocks. Andy wants to swim.
Huh?
Said Andy wants to swim.
Yeah.
Really bad.
I'm gonna go on the rocks in the sun.
Eu não sei se ele tá participando ou se tá filmando, porque dá pra ver azul ali no fundo.
Aham.
E com o óculos eu tô vendo melhor.
It's a little foggy.
Kind of like a rainbow right there.
A rainbow?
Right on the cliffside. See the colors?
No.
From the water up. You see the colors?
Oh, I do. Oh, wow. Barely. Did I see that? Why not? Slightly underwhelming because it's all foggy. But it's so pretty. Wait. Hello there.
Hello there.
Luke! You were the chosen one! What's that other line?
You said you would bring balance to the force. You would destroy the Sith, not join them.
Hello! Wow.
The other day, we were in rehearsal. And all I wanted to do was raise my hand that you guys can go, "It's what don't. It's wrong."
Okay.
I don't know why. I really wanted to. I almost did it.
You're tweaking, bro. What's up, buddy? I know you hungry, buddy.
I'm scared.
Here you go. Oh. Bye. Bye, buddy. Okay, we just stopped at a gas station to get gas. I think we're going to eat after this. I don't really know. But yeah. I got a bagel at Panera earlier. I don't think I showed you guys, but that's what I got. Alex, what'd you get from Panera?
Bacon, egg, and cheese on ciabatta.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. And then we both got coffees also. It's pretty good, pretty good. Yeah. Anyways, we're almost there. We made it.
Come here.
Come here. That's where we're sleeping. Got neighbors. Got neighbors everywhere. World Strand, everybody. There's a lot of sand dollars. Pacific. Okay, we just got some firewood and he's breaking it up. Ah, the struggle is real. We're just gonna leave Alex to do the tent all by herself. Just kidding.
Yeah, I probably know that.
But that's what we're doing. We just got to we were just at the beach for like 30 minutes. I was reading my book. I'm on page 300 out of 500. I kind of want to finish it because I gotta move on. I need to read some reading book. I have not started it yet. I can probably read it in a day though.
Okay.
We'll see. Anyways, tent time.
Well, yeah. I can't eat that. There was nothing to it. We don't have a charger.
S'mores. Fire. So, people camping behind us have been playing some interesting music for the past little bit, and it's just been really interesting. I'm not singing along. I don't know the songs. Very interesting.
You know, huge, scaly, big antlers.
Everybody's sleeping. Okay, bye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed day 6. It's like 8 o'clock. It's not even 8 o'clock. It's okay. We finished the Avengers. Okay, have a good day. Have a good night. Have a good week. Wherever you see this. Peace out. Shaka.